Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday to you all. It's me, I'm Wakaneko, one favor. Igbo traditional masquerade and culture. Agoro. You can see where we look at the environment of where we are today. Look at. Yeah, I have walked Krikran, I can now. Why you Krikran in the nine? Look at where we are. Bagudun Kawan with your Look at. I'm just here to just cool off and relax my mind because things do if I can only put if I don't my mind there. I'm gonna give nature the brain box in you. Sure, I'm here to thank you each and every one of you for your support in everywhere that you guys have support me. I really appreciate once again. I thank every one of you. It's not easy to become a content creator. It's not a day job and it's not easy. It's all about consistencies. Consistency. I'm a feminine, you know, Igbo. Consistency, you get. So, I thank you, the person that joined. I thank you for joining. It's not easy. Thank you. Akwa mmadụ ka eji aka. Igbo enwere eze. Ọ bụrụ Josh na ọ nọkọta adịrị otu a. Anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo ma onwe anyị ọfụma. So, once again, I still thank you. It's not easy to reach 1,330 something subscribers. It's not by my ability, but it's by your support. Because you guys really support me. It's not easy. I'm telling you. That is the fact. Wait here. So like I was saying, it's not easy to do that. If I am mad easy. So I just came to have some chilling in this bush. You can look everywhere. Look at it. Look at how it look. Look at it. Look at it. So it's only me and my senior bro. He just went inside to pick something. It's coming out soon. So I still say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Aburo very fair. But even on there, if you dare, you go there watchful. Because so many things they happen now. Nobody know. You get? If you dare, you go just there watchful. Olivia, thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments, Olivia. Thank you. It's not easy. Bro, are you done? Too funny, Anna. Olivia, thank you. Shanri B, thank you. I thank you all for joining. Thank you for your support. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. When you cool, not easy. If so, I make it on with. I thank you all. I don't even know how to put my mouth to say this, but I still thank you. I'm still pleading for you to join, share my video, still comment, recommend me to some people for the point. Forget this man. So, thank you guys. It's not easy. Today is Sunday, I bet. Try to have fun. If you are with your friend or your girlfriend or your sister, take her somewhere. Enjoy life. Only once we come this life, you get. Only once. The life not day two. Part two don't finish. Only part one we still the see now. I never know. More show me. I go like to know. Thank you. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your consistent. I'll be consistencies. You know, shall not go school. Mona, pardon me. Olivia, thank you once again. I'm Madikejaka. Now, true person go become person. My English I speak. You know, this my English. It turn on. Okay, so in this bush now, we dey call this bush Amamana. Amamana, hey Jesus, Amamana Genesis. I just came to see my brother, so he took me to a walk. He never tell me I just come back from church, yeah. But you know, the thing they be now. Better bridge the day inside bush, such I they enjoy. If you stay in a house now, fan go to blow you. Better heat go to come out from different places. Ocean bada na photo, ocean boga na photo, get man kina yeah. But here, natural hair, I be natural hair. Na natural hair, I be na natural hair. You go to come out, you go to feel them everywhere. I go there, alright. You know, as my body just dey cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And they show in a comments. I really appreciate it. It's not easy. It's not easy to have people like you. Thank you. Hey, man, I don't want my head though. Sham. I don't go I don't go change a new look. See, I look beautiful. I'm not sure I go like the style of the hair. I look beautiful now. Sure, but when I cover them before my before my network go come out, because sure not they hit me for hair too much. If it hits me, network go come out. I love you all. I love you all. It's not easy. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. But I believe I got another Monday baafia. Monday.
Yeah, you may be in a video. If you go for live,
I got to go to your one day. And I got Jesus. Oh, okay. And going.